categorization of your system. So this is in regards to the risk management framework process, and this is just an introductory of the first step that you use in the risk management framework process. This is all FIPS 199 stuff. How do we actually determine what security categorization to give a system? In our last video, we talked about an example of a web server. We had system A and we called it webserver.public. So let's take this system. We already established that this was a low impact level system. Why is it low impact? One of the first things you do with the system when you're determining what categorization that it needs is you look at the actual information type. We're going to use two information types. One is public information, the other is administrative information. So with public information type for our web server, we already know that we're serving out information. So this is publicly available information to the world. Now we have to get this data. We advertise a job for custodians to clean all over the country. We put that information out there so we can get custodial professionals to come in and work for us. So there's no classified information or anything. It's just telling the description of the job and what we're looking for. What kind of information is this?